Is your web hosting company your only website backup? If so, you need to take action now. Here's why. Your web host may not always be reliable. What happens if they make a mistake, go out of business, or experience a server crash? You could lose your entire website and all of its data. This may sound far-fetched, but it does happen. 123reg once accidentally deleted 1.7 million websites during a server cleanup. Your web host may not always store up-to-date backups. What happens if they don't offer the latest backup features, or if they discontinue their website backup service altogether? You could lose your entire website. It really is important to have a backup plan that doesn't rely solely on your web host. Here are some other options available. You can back up your website to a cloud service, such as OneDrive, Google Drive, just make sure it's secure, or a specialist website backup service. You can also back up to an off-site server. This protects you against any physical issue at the server premises, such as fire. You can even back up to your own computer. This is fine as an additional backup, but shouldn't be relied upon. By using multiple methods of backup, you can be sure that your website is safe and secure. Try to ensure your website is backed up in at least 3 places. This way, you can be back up and running quickly should anything happen to your website.